What's up YouTube? Welcome to another video. My name is Nick, and in today's video I think we're gonna go out and source some product, buy it, and then list it online to sell it, flip it, make money. Yeah, that'll be a good plan. All right guys, what's up? So we're starting the day out here. We're shopping for the start of week 3, and so my budget, going according to the spreadsheet that I've developed and the formula that I've planned out, my budget is $31. I'm here at Ross, and I'm gonna try to find some stuff here to flip. Let's go.
Later.
All right guys, so I'm home. I'm super pumped about what I got. Let me hit a light here real quick. Probably better. So I'm super pumped about what I got at Ross today. I jumped in there. I got 3 pairs of shoes for $30. One of them was 15 bucks, one was $7, and one was $6.50. They are sports shoes. They're some football cleats, and then I think some running shoes, or maybe soccer cleats. I don't know. I did check like price comparisons on eBay, what they're selling for, and I can earn anywhere from 2 times to 8 times depending on the shoe. I'll show you that now. Okay, so these right here are the Nike Vapor Speed 2 in red and black. Let this be a disclaimer, I know nothing about Nike sports shoes. I'm not a sports shoes kind of guy. But what I did is I went into eBay and I looked up Nike Vapor Speed 2 in red. And so you can see right here that these Nike Vapor Speed 2 right there. These are sold listings. So I went up to filter, click sold and completed. Once that's in there, click done. These are the exact ones that I just bought. They sold 4/3, so April 3rd for $40. I bought these for $6.49. So right there, you can see about a 7 times profit margin potentially. All right, so then we have these. They are the Nike Lunar Superbad Pro Football Lacrosse Cleat. These are selling on eBay for 50 bucks. We only paid $6.99. And finally, the last pair, these are Adidas Energy Boost Icon 2.0. Anywhere from like $20 to $40. This one I was kind of sketch about, but I figured I'll give it a shot and see what we get for it. I paid $15 for these, which was higher than I wanted to for any particular. Okay guys, so I did a bunch of research over the past couple hours, and I was able to upload these items to eBay. I've got them for sale. I have them listed on my Mercari app as well for the same prices. I think one of them I lowered just slightly. You can see they are right there on the top. Pretty excited about this. Looking forward to seeing what these turn out for profits. I'll keep you guys posted. I'm gonna do my best to have these things sold within a week, and that way we'll be ready for week 4. We're in the middle of week number 2 for the challenge. You can find the link to that down below in the description. We're in the middle of week number 2. We're already finished with all of the proceeds from week number 3. However, for spending purposes, I don't want to like overextend myself. And so for spending purposes, I only spent the amount that was allotted for week number 3. That way it's more sustainable growth. Hope that makes sense. Really quick, one of my YouTube friends, Mrs. Space Cadet, and her husband Dan and their family, they have a couple very young children. They lost their dog yesterday, Tater, and Tater was hit by a car and died yesterday. Our heart goes out to them. We're so sorry for their loss. This is a terrible thing. Go show them some love. Maybe, you know, go see her videos. She posted a little video yesterday, and then she'll be posting another one today, she said. Maybe just go and drop some kind words of encouragement. Losing a pet is always a really difficult thing, and so maybe go spread some love and some positive vibes over on her channel. I will link that in the end cards, okay? Hope you guys like this video. Like, subscribe, comment, and hit that notification bell if you want to see more, if you want to see how we track this over the next week. And I'll